Dash cams have become very popular lately for capturing incidents with your vehicle like accidents, break-ins, and even road rage. And in this video, I'm going to take a look at this Apeman C660 1080p dash cam. Out of the box, the C660 seems about the same or just slightly smaller than a point-and-shoot camera, and it's very lightweight. On the top there's a GPS interface and USB ports, as well as the slot for a windshield mount. On the right side is the power button, menu navigation buttons, and the large orange shutter button, which can be used to trigger an emergency recording. The C660 uses a 32GB Class 10 microSD card to store video clips and photos, but they don't include this with the package. And on the bottom are where the microphone and reset button openings are located. The C660 is also packaged with a USB cable, a long power cable, and a small plastic trim tool for tucking and hiding the power cable. To attach the Apeman dashcam, it comes with a small suction cup windshield mount. The suction cup simply slides onto the top of the camera and clicks into place. One thing you do need to know is that this dashcam has to be plugged in with constant power to work. It does have a built-in battery, but I think it's very low capacity and not intended for extended use or for long recording sessions. When you first turn it on, you have to set the language plus date and time before use. The Apeman C660 also has 8 infrared LEDs around the lens for night vision, and it includes a speaker and microphone that can be turned on or off. To adjust these and other features, go to the camera menu and select Setup. You can change things like video and photo resolution, loop recording length, motion detection, and more. There are also system settings for the infrared lights, startup sounds, and more. To attach the camera, press the suction cup to the windshield and twist the knob to stick it on. You can also pan and tilt the camera to get the best framing. When it's plugged into the cigarette lighter port, the camera will turn on and start recording as soon as the car ignition is on. But let's get this on the road and see what the footage looks like. As mentioned earlier, the C660 records in 1080p resolution. However, you can choose 720p or lower, but that really defeats the purpose of getting clear shots on the road. You will be able to monitor the shot on the screen when it first turns on, but after about 30 seconds the screen will turn off, but it will keep recording. You can always tell it's recording when the blue light is blinking, and tapping on any button will turn the screen back on. The lens offers a 170-degree view, so it's really wide and can capture almost anything in front of your windshield. However, license plates appear very small and are hard to see in the footage. And if you happen to be in an accident, you really need to be able to read license plates. However, you'll find this true on any camera with a wide-angle lens. Objects are going to appear small at a distance. But if you have photo or editing software, you may be able to zoom in enough to read the plates. The instruction manual is a bit of a disappointment because it really doesn't explain how some of the functions work. But one thing I found interesting was the motion sensor to record activity near your vehicle when it's parked. I think a hardwired power kit is needed for this feature so that the camera is constantly on. My cigarette lighter port has no power when the car is off, but my workaround is to unplug it and run it off the internal battery. Or I can connect the camera into a power bank with motion detection on. I'll then also have to stop the recording using the top right button. Now, when the C660 senses motion, it will trigger a 10-second recording. And if you happen to run it off an external battery, make sure you have a long enough USB cable so your power bank stays out of direct sunlight. One thing you might be thinking is that you'll run out of space on a 32GB memory card, but with loop recording on, you won't have to worry about that. Once the memory card gets full, the oldest videos will be deleted and replaced continuously. One more feature that's a bit lacking on the C660 is night vision. I found that the night vision LEDs really don't improve the video image, because like a flashlight, the infrared LEDs don't reach that far. But with headlights on, the video is about as good as it can be expected when it's dark out. This is on a dark street with ambient light from houses on both sides. So if you want peace of mind knowing you'll have a recording of any road incidents, the Apeman C660 actually does a great job. You'll never have to worry about whether it's recording because it's always recording while your vehicle is on. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.